In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TaxAct Savings Calculator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plug in your numbers, understand what each field means, and see how your savings could grow over time. First, open your browser and navigate to the TaxAct Savings Calculator page. Make sure you're on the official site so the tool loads correctly and your results are accurate. You can use this on a computer or a mobile device, whatever's most convenient. When the page loads, you may see an option to define your goal. This is optional, but it can be helpful. Choose what you're saving for. Maybe a house, retirement, college tuition, or an emergency fund. This doesn't change the math, it simply frames your plan and keeps your purpose front and center as you enter your numbers. Next, enter your financial data. Start with beginning balance. This is the amount you've already saved toward this goal. If you're starting from scratch, just enter zero. If you have some money set aside, enter that current total so the calculator includes it in the growth. Now add your monthly deposit. This is the amount you plan to contribute every month. Pick a number you can sustain consistently. Even a modest monthly deposit adds up when combined with time and compound interest. For savings term, enter how many years you plan to save. Think about your timeline. Shorter terms show quicker results but less compounding. Longer terms allow compounding to do more of the heavy lifting. Next is the annual interest rate. Enter your expected annual percentage yield, or APY. This represents the yearly rate including compounding. You can usually find your APY on your bank or credit union's website. Enter it as a percentage, not a decimal, and be realistic. Higher APYs can make the projection look optimistic, but it's best to use what you actually expect to earn. Then choose your first deposit date. This is the date you plan to begin your savings plan. If you're unsure, selecting the start of the next month can make monthly contributions easier to track. Once everything is filled in, click Calculate. The tool will display the future value of your savings based on the information you entered. This number shows what your balance could be at the end of the term, assuming you follow the plan and the APY stays consistent. If the result isn't where you want it to be, adjust your monthly deposit, term, or rate to explore different scenarios and calculate again. That's it. With these inputs and a few thoughtful choices, the TaxAct Savings Calculator gives you a clear snapshot of your savings potential and helps you stay focused on your goal.